Hi, this is Sushil from Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. In the last video, I explained to you about Vlookup and indirect functions. In today's video, I'll be explaining you about reverse Vlookup. As you can see my data, I've got some price, item names, quantities there, and amount. Now you can download this sample file from my description. My first column is price actually, item name, quantity and amount. And I'm searching with the item name, which is not in my first column. As the rule, VLOOKUP name, it has to be on your first column actually. So that's why I cannot use VLOOKUP over here. So that's why I have to use an option called as reverse VLOOKUP. So let us see how we can use that option. First of all, I don't want to type it over here, this item names. I will use as a drop down list, that is my data validation. So just click on this black cell, black box, click on data option and click on this icon, data validation, settings, and then list. So it is asking you, you can select this item names, that is B3 to B11, and now you can say OK. So that should give you all your details over here. So whatever items you click here, for example, I've clicked on printer actually. So you should tell me what is the price of printer. So I cannot use my VLOOKUP over here. So that's why I have to use my reverse VLOOKUP. So how do I use this? Like this, see, equal to VLOOKUP tab. Then click on G4, that is this printer, comma. Excel has given an option called as choose. That's why I have to use choose option here because it is not in my first column. Price is not my first. My first column over here, I have got item name. It is on my right side. So that's why I have to use choose over here. Bracket open, then curly brackets, and type over here 1, 2, and close the curly brackets. Now 1, 2 is nothing but this price, this item name. Item name becomes my first, and this price becomes my second. And then close the curly bracket, and then say comma. Now you select item name because 1 is item name. So you select this item all full mouse till cable. So that is B3 till B11, comma. Then you select your price. This is my second column. The 1 means B3 to B11 and 2 means A3 to A11. Close the bracket, comma, 2. 2 stands for, because I want price, no? Item name is 1, this is 2. This becomes reverse. This is reverse. Reverse VLOOKUP. 2, comma, 0. 0 stands for exact match. Close the brackets. So now when you press enter, I should get the answer here. See. So this is printer. So if I click on any of the values here, scanner. So it is telling me what is the value of scanner ka. If I click on keyboard, it will tell me the value of keyboard. Amount, if you want to calculate over here, this is how you do it. Equal to, that is A3, that is your price, that you can multiply it with your quantity. So that should give me the answer here, 1000. And if you double click here, I should get the answer. So if you find this tutorial helpful, give a like and subscribe to my channel, Quick Excel Tally with Sushil. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.